Today at Elements Intentional Community, we decided to try our hand at using our Alaskan mill. This is pretty exciting. This is the first time we've actually milled lumber that we actually took from our own land. We felled these trees a few weeks ago. The plan is to use these timbers to cut up for treads to use on a bridge on our walkway in the forest. Andy's using a jig that we got off of Amazon, which allows us to use a 2x6 so that we can do a straight cut for that all-important first cut. Once this cut's complete, it provides a level surface of which we can use to run the Alaskan mill on. We've fitted the mill to our Stihl 291 chainsaw. The depth is set to 1.5 inches for the treads that'll be used for the bridge. The wood's a bit wet, but cutting's going pretty good. With the treads ready to go, it's time to go to the woods and build a bridge.
Slavo. Pretty sturdy?
Yep.
Our first bridge.
Yep.
Sweet. All right, high five the camera. We're done.